Merry-go-round.
Merry-go-round. Okay,
Yes.
give me a sec. Good one, Ayushi. That's a lovely word.
Thanks.
And yes, name of character?
Anand.
No. I knew you. I could see that coming. We're not doing Anand. Hi, Kunal. Hi, Meghna.
Ravi.
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 Let's work with Ravi. Ravi and
Cool.
merry-go-round. Ravi had this, Ravi's life, rather, had suddenly become a merry-go-round. No, not because literally he was running from, doing jhadu pocha to bartan to ubaloing the doodh, not all that way. Also not because he was some kind of, what shall I call it? One of those butterfly players ki matlab Tinder pe ek ladki, Hinge pe ek falana. Nahi. On the contrary, Ravi was a very seedha guy. Ravi's life had become a merry-go-round because of a very peculiar living situation that he had. So Ravi lived in a house with his wife. Rather not wife, his girlfriend, partner, jo bhi bolo.
Okay.
Usi building mein, Ravi's ex-wife lived with Ravi's kids, including his mother-in-law and father-in-law, ex-mother-in-law, father-in-law, who were not very fond of him. And if you think that is it, usi building mein, Ravi's first college girlfriend, with whom he'd had a terrible breakup, she also lived.
Okay.
Now, let's get the whole story clear. This is during lockdown. Jahan par matlab people within the building have to stay close, have to be with each other, have to help each other. But also where responsibilities increase. Now let's take his wife's situation. 2 kids, 6 feet 1 inches, says Ravi's living situation sounds like my life in general.
That's my
Apologies
friendship.
to you, friend. Apologies to you, friend. But you have my complete sympathies. Any which case, now the wife, kids, old parents. So matlab पुराने ड्यूटी के नाते या फादर होने के नाते या 10 साल साथ गुजारने के नाते Ravi has to provide groceries, take care of things. मतलब बल्ब टूट जाता है तो ये
Right.
Same thing अपने घर में तो also he is going to have to do all those things ना. Like it's not like he can tell the girlfriend अच्छा तुम लाओ आलू लेके आओ, अच्छा तुम एक काम करो इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा है, go talk to the watchman. वहां भी थोड़ा बहुत तो करना पड़ता है. I mean full equality for men women, but you have to pull your part of it.
Right.
Now add to this that this ex-girlfriend, मतलब पहला girlfriend जो है,
the college one,
उसको रवि ने डंप किया था. उसने रवि को नहीं डंप किया था. तो थोड़ा बहुत वेस्टिजियल गिल्ट भी रहता है कि यार बेचारी लड़की 17 साल की उम्र में I broke her heart and all those things.
Right, makes sense.
So you understand that here is this man who's got duties in 3 flats in the same building. Now let's look at scenarios.
Okay.
Bhajiwala has come at the bottom of the building. Ravi tells girlfriend, "Acha, I'm going to get falana ye." Ravi gets message from wife saying, "Listen, ex-wife, saying, look, boss, problem. The daughter's not feeling well. I'm tending to her. Can you get me falana bhaji?"
Right.
He goes down and sees girlfriend who's standing there. And she has finished shopping and she's got these 2 big bags and she's looking tired. Ab Ravi, isme kya karu? Thoda chivalry hai, thoda goodness hai. Ravi says, "Chalo, I'll help you." So he gives, and the watchman is kind, so he tells the watchman, "Please start my bhaji, this thing. I'll go drop this off." Comes. He goes, drops it off, comes back. Bhaji is ready, takes the bhaji, goes, gives the bhaji to ex-wife, gives the bhaji to girlfriend. वॉचमैन को दोनों लिस्ट दिया था. वॉचमैन को ये नहीं बोला था कि ये लिस्ट इज फॉर द ब्लू बैग एंड ये लिस्ट इज फॉर द ब्राउन बैग.
Right.
गर्लफ्रेंड की भाजी गई वाइफ के पास, सॉरी एक्स वाइफ की भाजी गई पार्टनर के पास, पार्टनर की भाजी गई. Now worse.
Allergy.
Baby, I was just going to come to allergy. हमारे ख्याल कितने मिलते जुलते हैं. So basically, the girlfriend, sorry, why do you keep calling her girlfriend? The partner is allergic to bhindi, and the wife hates patta gobi. And you can well imagine that bhindi has gone there, patta gobi has come here.
Okay.
And the partner's allergy for bhindi is so much that if she sees it, she starts throwing up. So obviously that's happening, and she's screaming at him, saying, "What? How can you do this to me? You know I have such a problem with bhindi. How could you get it?" He's like, "I didn't get it. I didn't get it. I swear, it's there." He's in the middle of this, taking her to the other room, calming her down, getting her to sit down, give her water, phone. How could you bring patta gobi? Don't you know I hate patta gobi? Partner's asking, whose call is that? Don't tell me it's not that woman's call. He can't say. If he tells her, I got her bhindi for her, and that's the bhindi, come to house, he's dead.
Right.
In the middle of all this, Ghanti bajos.
Okay.
Guess who's come?
The first girlfriend.
Yes. And she's come to say thank you.
For what?
He helped to carry the bags and put it in her house, no. And she's always had a crush on him. Na? He dumped her.
Poor thing.
So she's come like with nice kheer, saying, so sweet, yeah.
Okay.
Now the partner is thinking, some woman is calling him, some other woman is coming with kheer, plus he is getting bhindi. This is
Must be
day
happening.
one, let's say. This is day
Okay.
one. This is the good
Right.
day. This is the easy day.
Hmm.
Now let's talk about the bad day. Give me one more word for the bad day.
Tiger.
What?
The animal tiger.
Animal tiger. Okay.
And
Okay.
another word, Ferris wheel.
Sorry?
Ferris wheel. The gondola.
Ferris
The one.
wheel. What is with you today, man? Merry-go-round, Ferris wheel. Ayushi, how badly are you missing melas, carnivals?
Horribly.
And all
Horribly.
of us
I just want to get out of the
I don't even know
house.
when this is going to happen again. Why are you making it so hard for all of us? Shucks. Any which way. So Ferris wheel and what shall I call it?
Tiger.
Tiger.
The animal tiger.
Right. So now, let me give you a little secret about Ravi. Now, Ravi is one of those guys like who likes to pretend to be a tiger in those amorous bedroom kind of situations. Like he likes roaring and growling and all that. Okay. And of course, his partner also says, my tiger, and all these things. Now, one little problem is that जो ex-girlfriend है,
Okay.
Ravi never liked her. Ravi thought she was too dominating.
Hmm.
Now, you know how when you don't like people, you normally save their names in the phone with some mean name?
Right. Yeah. I mean,
So
I
he had
don't do
saved
that.
her name as Tiger.
His life is
Okay.
complicated.
Yeah, no, wait, I'll tell you how complicated. So he's with the partner. They're getting nice and cozy. I hope no children have tuned in. If they have, they'll probably tell me a better story than I'm telling them. Any which case, they're getting nice and cozy. Amorous things are going well. He's like saying, I'm a tiger. And she's like, my tiger, roar for me. And he roars, I am a tiger. Heard of something called Siri?
Yeah. Goes off at the worst moments.
And Siri hears tiger. And Siri
Calling tiger.
dials tiger. So here you have this man loudly saying, I'm hot for you. I want you. I'm coming for you. Call has gone to girlfriend, who is her 15-year dream is fulfilled. This man's called her and said, I want you. I need you. वो तो आ गई इधर. Story not over. अभी एक और party बाकी है.
Okay.
In the middle
Yes,
of all
fine.
this, she calls. She calls and says, daughter really not well. She's feeling really ill. She's missing you. Can you please come up for 15 minutes? This one tells his partner, listen, daughter, 15 minutes, please. This one's very upset, but he goes. But she goes and she lets him. Daughter.
Right.
ये यहाँ से निकला, वो यहाँ आ गई girlfriend.
Okay.
The girlfriend is like, what's going on this thing? And this, they're arguing with each other. Girlfriend is telling partner, he called me, he said this, and this one is like, what the hell? He told me daughter and he went. So the partner thinks he is actually made a bahana to go to girlfriend, but not gone to girlfriend's house, so she's come here.
Okay.
Girlfriend thinks, what the hell? He's called me, but he's with somebody else here. Obviously, the girlfriend doesn't know the domestic situation. Na? They've been cut off
Right.
from each other.
Right.
Now uncle has gone to that building, sorry, that house, and opened the door and everything. Now in all the hurry, obviously when he was in bed, he wasn't really dressed, really. He was in some underwear and some tea.
Right.
And when he got the call, he's gone that way. Ex-wife opens the door to see a man in red underwear and a tea. And to make matters worse, just before all the action was happening, he had put a condom in his pocket so that at the right time he could put it on. That's poking out.
In front of his
Ex-wife
daughter.
No, but he didn't. The daughter is in the other room. The daughter's not seen it.
Okay.
He's opened, gone through the door. The ex-wife is seeing all this. And she's like, what's wrong with you? You think this is why I called you? For a booty call? How disgusting a guy are you? He's trying to explain what's going on. Tab tak, the other two women are still trying to figure where he is, no? So he's getting calls. And he ends like a fool. He ends up saying, I'm on the 17th floor. Three
Right.
women, all three furious, angry, violent.
Damn.
Now, to finish your story, let's use your last word.
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel. So people who aren't used to Ferris wheels, na, when they reach the
Right.
top,
Right.
they look down.
Uh-huh.
उनका सर घूमता है. They feel like they're falling and they're going to crash.
Right.
Ravika's situation right now was one step ahead. His sir was gumoing and he wasn't feeling like he was falling. उसको इतना झाड़ू पड़ रहा था, झाप पड़ रहा था, that he was actually falling.
Oh shit.
If he had been on a Ferris wheel, he would have preferred to jump than this torture. Hi, Harini. So, Bechara Ravi, I agree with Meghna. Poor Ravi's had a really bad time. I think we should end the story here and not torture him more. Thank you, Aishi. Lovely words. Thank you for making our first story so much fun.